turning calves to milk and meat factories. Like any other wealth-creating enterprise, investing in dairy or beef farming is a business. It's a platform of growing the investor's capital. Unfortunately, many who take this route of wealth creation dive into it blindly without taking clear stock of how to master the art. They hardly achieve their dream. Majority perform dismally. To create wealth through dairy or beef farming, an investor therein must look at a cow as a factory that manufactures A. Milk, B. Calves, C. Growth, D. Meat, and E. Fertilizer. Since these are products of their factory, they should answer the fundamental question. A. What are the raw materials of milk production? B. What are the raw materials of manufacturing calves on their farms? C. What are the raw materials of manufacturing growth on their farms? D. What are the raw materials of manufacturing meat on their farms? And finally, E. What are the raw materials of manufacturing fertilizer on their farm? In proper integrated livestock farms, they draw strategic plans to increase milk production, increase fertility or calf production, increase daily weight gain of growing animals, but minimize cow dung production per cow per day. After watching the MolaPlus group documentary on early calf weaning, that is, calves should be weaned at about 45 days, you notice that well-managed calves would increase weight by between 1 kilogram and 1.2 kilograms per calf per day. Progressively. That should continue well after weaning. That only happens when you ensure your calves are quickly turning into heifers. They need to get A. Sufficient energy, B. Sufficient proteins, C. Sufficient minerals, D. Sufficient trace elements, E. Sufficient vitamins, F. Sufficient good quality water, preferably raw non-chlorinated, and G. Good quality fiber. Visit our YouTube channel https://youtube.com/@MolaPlus_group and watch our video entitled, The Incredible Milk Booster to Master That Art. Not providing the above on growing calves, bulls or heifers gets them stunted. This dents their entire production life. As a business person in the food production value chain, pay attention to details.